everybody knows you can blow air, but if you do a karate chop and you camouflage that you're actually pushing a tumbling mass of air towards this, you can actually make it look like you can use the force. 1. And you can do this over long, very long distances over a table. You can go 7, 8 feet by just actually
moving the air. That was awesome.
And the funnier part about it is the farther it goes, the longer it takes for it to fall over.
Yeah.
So if you just want to just focus your chi, right. You can.
Oh, move. You got it.
Yeah,
that's cool, man. That's really cool. Look at that. It took a long time. That's great.
Thank you so much for coming on the show, guys.
Thanks,
Great
Jason.
to be here, Jason. Thanks.